This is a Dollar Tree strawberry stacker update, and I've got to say that I've had a lot of success. Doesn't take much dirt to do these strawberries, and the plants are doing well. I planted these several months ago, and there are strawberries consistently being produced, and we've got more flowers coming. I've got to say that I'm very, very happy with these Albion bare root strawberries. These things are doing great. From every angle, we've got flowers and or berries, so that is awesome. Of course, not every pocket survived. You need to stay on top of your watering because there is less soil, so it's a container, so you have to be on top of your watering. But overall, I could not be more pleased with how this stuff has turned out. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Very easy to set up. Get your worm castings, your berry tone. I've got all the ingredients I used to make this happen. Right now I'm going to show B-roll of other stuff I've captured, other video I've captured of this over the last month or so. So enjoy that. Look at those strawberries. You can do this too. You absolutely can do this too. Just a little water, a little effort, and some Dollar Tree stackers, and you can have a ton of strawberries.